Hello everyone! In today's video, we're going to identify the measures of central tendency of a group dataset. But first, what are the measures of central tendency? Well, there's mean, median, and mode. My other group mates will discuss each one carefully. This is a group dataset that we are going to use as an example. These are the grades of each grade 10 student in math. The grades start from 71 up to 100. The F stands for frequency. It's how many people are in each interval. In this case, it's how many people have that grade. The M stands for midpoint. The midpoint is the exact middle of each interval. To calculate the midpoint, we add the lower boundary and upper boundary together, then divide it by 2. For example, 71 plus 75 is 146. 146 divided by 2 is 73. The FM is both the frequency and midpoint multiplied, so it's 3 times 73, which is 219. The CF stands for cumulative frequency. It gradually adds up all the frequency, so it's 3, then 3 plus 5 is 8, 8 plus 6 is 14, and so on.
Now that we have our group data, let us find the mean. The mean of group data is the process of determining the average of a data set that are grouped together in different categories. In statistics, the mean can also be defined as the sum of all observations to the total number of observations. In simple terms, the mean is the average of the data set.
To calculate the mean of a group data, the first step is to determine the midpoint and frequency and then multiply each other for FM. Then, the sum of the products will be divided by the total number of frequencies to get the value of the mean.
We can see that the sum of the products in our frequency table is 3,515 and the total number of frequencies is 40.
Following the formula to determine the mean, 3,515 divided by 40 is 87.88. So, the mean of the given group data is 87.88.
Now we will be talking about the median, how to find it, how to solve it, and how to identify it in a dataset. The median is a statistical measure that represents the middle value in a dataset. Unlike the mean, which is the average of all values, the median focuses on the middle value itself. To find the median value, we have to look at the total numbers in the cumulative frequency set. We will divide that by 2, which gives us 20. Now, 20 is in between 14 and 24, but since 24 is closer to 20, that is the median position. The formula for solving the median is L plus N over 2 minus CF times H over F. L standing for lower limit of median class, N number of observations, F for frequency of median class, and CF cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. Our L would be 86 since it's the lowest limit of the median class, 40 for the number of observation or value. Our frequency is 10 and our CF is 14. Preceding meaning before 24, which is 14, and H, which is interval, which is 4. If we minus 86 with 90, it is 4. If we substitute the values, we would get 86 plus 40 over 2 minus 14 over 10 times 4. If we simplify that, it would become 86 plus 0.6 times 4. And if we add it all together, which is 86 plus 2.4, the total will become 88.4.
Hi, my name is Zahra Shariff. We'll be talking about mode, what it is, and how to find it using a formula. And so yeah, what is mode? Mathematical sense, mode means the most frequent number. So let's say you have a set of numbers, 1, 3, 16, 9, 9, 7, 9. So you would say that 9 is more frequent than the others, so that will be our mode. This quick little exercise is our mode. So what if you have a table and it's filled with group data? So let's say these are our dear students and these are their grades for their last quarter. Yikes. And so we'll be using this formula to find the mode in a group data. So let's get started. So first we are going to find our highest class frequency. That basically means the highest number of students that got the same grade, so that's going to be 10. 10 of these students have gotten 86 to 91. So that is our modal class. That's going to be important. And of course, we're going to find the lower limit, which is basically 86. So let's say L is equal to 86. And then up next, we have to find this little tidbit here, the size of class interval, which is basically the amount of numbers that is between 86 to 91. So let's hurry it up and put that as 5. And now we have these little f's. These f's stand for frequency, which is basically this column here. So F1 stands for the frequency of our modal class, so 86 and 91, 10 students got it, so F1 equals 10, and here we have F0, that is the class preceding the modal class, so that's 81 and 86, and F0 stands for 6. And finally we have F2, which is basically the class that's after the modal class, so 91 to 95, frequency is 9. So let's all put these all together and finally calculate it. So L is 6 plus huge parentheses. F1 means 10 minus 6 over 2 times, 10 and then 6 minus 9, close that up, multiplied by 5. So just a quick calculation, and that would mean our mode is 90.
Hey everyone! Thanks for watching the video. We hope this video helped you learn more about the measures of central tendency. For a short recap, the measures of central tendency are mean, median, and mode. Bye!